Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at Dollar General. It's been a little while since we've been at Dollar General. It's been a while since they had something good going on, but y'all know I had to come in here to do this Glade deal, and we're also going to do a few other deals that I want to tell you guys about, but I wanted to get started with the Glade. So over the weekend in the Smart Source, we got these babies right here. So these are buy one get one free coupons with a max value of $5.50. And these babies have been deducting the full $5.50 at every single place that we coupon at. So they've been deducting it at Target, at Kroger, at Walgreens. And thank you so much to DG Saving with Sanders for confirming that on Instagram. So you can really take these anywhere, including Family Dollar as well. I forgot Family Dollar. And it has been deducting $5.50 no matter which Glade products you buy. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be getting some of the Glade candles and some of the other $3 Glade products. So these are $3. And when we buy two of them, that is going to total up to $6. Minus our $5.50, that makes these 25 cents a piece. So that is a great deal. And on Thursday, when the 3-day sale starts, I think it's a 3-day sale or a 4-day sale. But when that sale starts, these will actually be on sale for $2.75. So when that happens, these babies should be free 99. But I'm here early because I don't know if my store will have any stock by that time. And I'm also not sure if the system will be changed by that time and it will no longer be deducting the $5.50. So I'm here to go on ahead and get my quarter candles right now, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to get some of the candles. I want to stock up on this candy cane cheer, and we're also going to try the plug-in sets. So this is everything that we are going to get today as far as our Glade products. So I have 8 of the candles, and then we also have 2 of the warmers. You do not have to buy 10 of them. The reason that I'm getting 10 is because Dollar General system will take up to 5 like coupons, but you can get a number corresponding to however many coupons you have. So if you want to buy 4, that's completely fine. If you want to do 6, that's completely fine. Your coupon should still work. And I'm going to have her scan all 5 coupons at the end versus having her scan 2 and then scan the coupon, scan 2, then scan the coupon. That should work just fine with these coupons as well. Okay, so this next deal you can do on the grits or you can do on the oatmeal. The oatmeal is $2 and the grits are $1.75. But we have a 2 off of 2 Dollar General coupon on these Quaker products. And in the same insert that we got the Glade coupons in, we got this dollar off of 2 Quaker products. So 2 of these boxes are going to cost us $3.50. We want to use that 2 off of 2 Dollar General coupon plus this dollar off of 2 paper coupon. That's going to bring us to 50 cents for 2 boxes, making these just 25 cents each. Now, if you get the oatmeal, it should be about 50 cents a box because they are 25 cents more. We eat grits more, so I'm going to get 2 boxes of grits for a quarter. You cannot beat that price. Next deal I want to do is on the Vaseline lotion. So these are $3.50 a piece, regular price. And then we have a 2 off of 6 Dollar General coupon. So I want to use the $2 coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. So 2 of them cost $7. We're going to use 2 of these $2 coupons. That's going to make them $3. And then our 2 off of 6 digital coupon should make them just 50 cents each, or $1 for 2. So that's a pretty good deal for these. I like to use these in my gift baskets at the holidays, so I am trying to get stocked up. So this next deal I'm not going to do because I don't want to pay for Suave, but this is not a bad deal if you need it and would probably work out to free if you work it into your 5 off of 25 transaction. So you can buy 2 of these for $3 a piece, and then you're going to save $2 with the digital coupon that we have when you spend 6. Then we have a 3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon on these, so that's going to take off a total of $5 in savings, making them just $1 for 2, or 50 cents each. So this deal is going to be a little experiment. Hopefully it works out well on the Suave natural hair products. So I have a $2 exclusive beauty bag coupon. This will not be on your account unless you get the beauty bag coupons, but I do receive those in a couple of my accounts. So I have a $2 off any Suave Naturals hair care. And in this past Sunday's paper, we got a buy one get one free coupon. These are $5 each. And you want to scan these to make sure that they're attaching to that $2 digital coupon, because I noticed that this refresher spray was not attaching, but this curl defining cream is and the conditioner is. So that's what I'm going to pick up today. So they are $5 a piece. I'm going to use the buy one get one free coupon. That should take off $5. And we're going to use that $2 coupon. That should take off $2. And then I'm also going to hopefully use the 2 off of 6 Suave coupon, which will take off another $2, making them just 50 cents a piece. Hopefully that all works, and these will only be $1 for 2, which would be a great deal. We'll see what happens. All right, you guys, so this is everything that we are going to get. We got quite a bit of stuff. I just realized I probably could call this a $5 challenge, because if everything works out right, believe it or not, we should get everything in this cart right now for $5. That would be amazing. And if we were to do this on a Saturday, this should all be free. So keep that in mind if you want to hold on to this transaction for a Saturday. But I'm going to go ahead and try her out now just to see how everything works. I'm going to have her scan everything. I'm going to enter in my phone number, let all of my digital coupons come off. Then I'm going to hand over all of these paper coupons. Let's see how this goes. All right, you guys, so that almost went perfectly, and we did come out with our $5 challenge. We only had one little hiccup, but let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So when I got up to the register, I saw that they had a brand new box of Welch's, so I threw 2 of those in there for a little bit of overage. So those were 34 cents each, and I used that $1 off of 2. You do not have to add those into your transaction. I just like to grab them when I can find them. But our Quaker deal went perfectly, so those were $1.75. The store discount that you see is that 2 off of 2 digital coupon, and then we used our $1 off manufacturer coupon that you can see there. There is our Suave. So the Suave is where we have the issue. That deal did not work. My buy one get one free coupon did beep. The $2 digital came off fine, but the manufacturer coupon beeped, so she did a price override and entered in one of those coupons for $4. So my total was a little bit higher because I got $4 off instead of $5. But our Glade and our Vaseline deals went perfectly. So there is the Vaseline. You see the store discount, which is our store coupon plus our $2 manufacturer coupons. There is the Glade right there. We got the $5.50 off BOGO coupons there. That worked out perfectly. My subtotal came up to $5.68 for this deal, and we had a total savings on those 18 items of $41.50. We just saved $41 in that transaction, and this is not even a Saturday. If this had been a Saturday, all of this would have been 68 cents. Y'all, that is amazing. So I hope this $5 challenge was helpful to you all. If it was, please remember to hit that thumbs up button. I thank you so much for watching today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.